Today's been a really good day. It's been wonderful to see so many clinicians here at the event.
I think today's been really great, it's been really educational.
Because this roadshow is really what it's all about, education.
And I think we should be empowering our clinicians to be able to give that care.
We'll continually strive to get better.
Please trailblaze, be lateral thinking, think out of the box and move forward and change practice for the better.
Present future, we can change it.
By putting on these educational roadshows, we feel it's an opportunity for us to give back to healthcare professionals.